Hey everyone. So I know I haven't really done any videos on the trailer recently, and that's mostly because just the weather up here in Tehachapi has not been the best for what I had left to do. Woodwork in the snow and electrical and stuff like that. Just snow and rain and honestly just absolute cold is not the preferred time to be doing some of that work. Like, I'm pretty sure the caulking would have never cured if I had tried to do it, say, 2 weeks ago or whatever. But so, little update, I drilled the hole and installed the electrical shore power connector, and then I went ahead and did my measurements and cut the wood to create the platform bed. I made it just high enough that I can fit, I believe, all of my luggage underneath the bed. Eventually, I would like to work on some type of storage for clothing. There's a company, the name of the company escapes me right now, but they actually do stuff for the like the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter vans, and they do like a soft bag style cabinet, overhead cabinet. And one of the reasons for that is, if you were to bump your head on a hard wooden cabinet, as you can see, there's not a lot of space, between the bed and the ceiling. So if you were to build a cabinet up here and just, smack your face on it, it's just not going to be fun. I mean, at least a soft canvas bag will have some relief, some play to it. So I don't know, I'm going to do some more research on it and do some measurements. I don't think I will push it all the way back if I do, just because, our heads are going to be toward that end. But depending on the measurements, if I could fit it, here somewhere, right here would be perfect, because I could come into the trailer, put our clothing and stuff over here, still have enough room that our heads won't hit, and then and then it'd be easy to reach whatever, whether we're in bed or we're just kind of leaning into the trailer. So again, gonna do some more research, some more measurements, and then I'll figure that all out. But the platform bed's built. It's built, it's secure, it's robust. It's probably overkill, I'll be honest. I tend to overkill a lot of my structural things because I'm just so concerned with breaking. So not only did I fabricate the legs and everything, but I also screwed them into the walls, so there's a little more security to that. And then the number of 2x4s running nose to tail, and then it's just that thin plywood, same thickness as this. I needed something thin, obviously, to bow with the curvature of the ceiling, so it's not heavy duty, but there's enough 2x4 bracing underneath that I'm not worried about this flexing too much or breaking. It's plenty of bracing. It's I'm certain my dad will point out that it's pretty much overkill. So but I think this is gonna work. This is gonna work very well. I have to figure out right here at the edge of the bed. I realized the camera can't actually see the edge of the bed, but the edge of the bed is right here. I need to find a way, either some netting or something, just for when we put Ryder down before the rest of us. He doesn't just like lay down and go to bed. He normally complains. He normally has got a problem with it initially. He's definitely an individual who does not like being left out when people are all still awake and still hanging out and partying. So so I need something to stop him from falling off the bed. Yes, the door will be shut. What's he gonna do? He's gonna fall, 16, 18 inches, but then he's stuck down there, and how do I get him back up onto the bed? So I think it's just gonna be easier for the time being to figure out some type of system that can drape here. They can go up when we need to block him, but then can easily come down when like we get into bed later at night. So gonna have to look into that and figure that whole thing out. But yeah, I think that's for another time. Again, the trailer project is coming along really well. I still have the window. I just don't know where I'm gonna put it. The original plan was to put it on the side, but especially now with the platform bed, I just don't think there's enough room for it on the wall. I then had thought put it on the door for a few reasons. One, someone knocks on the door, I can just look through the curtain, see who's there. Two, I can open up the window because it's got a built-in screen, and then when I turn on the fan, it can just pull air through the trailer. But this trailer, the door is the full width of the trailer, so I don't know for structural purposes if it would support a window as well. I'm gonna, same thing, just gonna have to do some measurements, gonna have to look at what I'm dealing with and make a decision from there. But I'll be honest, I'm kind of in a good spot right now where I would be happy just to start using this right now, and then as time goes on, maybe circle back to doing some more on it. But yeah, I'm loving the way it's turning out. Like laying down on this right now, it was incredibly comfortable. Now with the shore power, I'm actually plugged into the house, and I have a small heater running right now. So I mean, it's nice in here right now. I mean, it's probably 51, 52 degrees outside, so it's not like it's terribly cold, but I mean, a little bit of heat to knock off the chill. And if I were to close the door, it would heat up in here very easily and very well. So anyways, that's what I got for you guys on this update, and hopefully you guys continue to stay tuned. And I hope you guys continue to enjoy my videos. Please, you know, if you guys have something you want to see, hit me up, you know, send me a comment, like my videos, whatever, you know, it's the normal spiel, right? So anyways, but again, I appreciate you guys all watching, and I'll talk to you guys all later.